Is it possible to have beautiful experiences all the time? Well, that kind of depends on what your definition of beautiful is. I think most of us are working with a definition of beautiful that's just too narrow. Imagine some dolphins on the beach at sunset. That's beautiful. But the dolphin sunset beauty is not the only kind of beauty there is. I remember trying to save a newborn calf as a girl, up to my knees in mud and muck and in the pouring rain, and we lost her. The calf died and I think I cried all night. But I look back on that night now and it stands out in my life as one of the most beautiful things I've ever experienced. Heartbreakingly beautiful, but still beautiful. So I kind of think that beauty isn't a particular aesthetic quality. It's about how alive we are in the moment, how present we are, how open we are to experiences. Beauty is what happens when the doors are blown off and their hinges and you're left fully open. Beauty is in everything. It is everything. Whether you find yourself filled with all the beautifuls or not, that is entirely up to you. So don't worry whether there's enough dolphins or enough sunsets in your life. Just ask yourself this: am I open to the beauty around me right now? This is the question that will change your life.